Now let's see second is like we want to see how to split this column. Okay, now how to split based on a delimiter. Okay, so let us see that. Okay, so how to split the columns here in our document number column we have various fields. Okay, which is separated by a hyphen. Okay, let us see how to split column. Okay, so right click on that particular column which we want to split, and here we have an option called split column and split by delimiter. Okay, delimiter is the separator hyphen. Okay, so select by delimiter. By default you have colon, comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, tab. Okay, so here in this column we have hyphen, so here we can change it to hyphen. Here if you want to change only split this with the help of underscore, we can use type in underscore over here, but prominently what we want to split is based on the hyphen. So we want to split this into various uh, uh, various columns based on the hyphen delimiter. Before doing that, it is always advisable that we make a copy of this column, okay, so that we keep the master column as it is, and whatever transformation what we want to do as splitting the columns, okay, we will do on the copy. So let us see how to duplicate a column. I'll just cancel this. Okay, right click, and it is very simple. Right click and duplicate column. So why duplication is required, as I told that we don't want to play with the master column. Let us keep this for our record as master column and create a duplicate copy, and here we can use the tool called split column by delimiter. Okay, select that, and again here you can it's already selected, you can type it, check it and type it properly. Okay, here you want to you can split on what basis you want to split. You want to split based on left mode delimiter, right mode delimiter. Here in this scenario it's like we want to split on each and every occurrence of hyphen as the delimiter. Okay, so select that and click OK. So see how easy and simple it becomes for us, that that entire column is split into various columns. Okay, this is how we can use the delimiter as column. Okay,